Ellen Neckman joins us now for the Trader Rundown. A big rally yesterday in the market.
Yeah, big bounce. That's after Frantic Friday. Now, things looked like we stabilized on Friday until the last 2 hours of trade. Boom, the market went down. Sell-off of 6% last week. So that was a tough week, but we got back a lot of those losses here yesterday.
What do you think the buying binge was about?
Well, I think we have to institute, as we've talked about this before, the two-day rule. When something surprising comes out of Washington, D.C., you've got to see where, the initial reaction in markets is usually negative, fearful selling, but after a couple days, let's see what it really means.
And it's been on Trade Talks that the market's been moving
this
for the
time,
most part.
This time it's always something new, but every time we've seen a lot of these shakeups, but if you can step back and look and see where we are a couple days after the event, once we've had a time to digest it, the markets usually do come back.
Cooler heads prevail.
Yes.
Let's take a look at a potential trade here for you. What would you be buying?
The Dow is down 10%. I mean, just the dogged Dow. And when in times of doubt, I always go back to my conservative Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is a slow mover, but if you can look big picture, we've done this. Think about this over the last couple of years. Every time we've had a big sell-off where everybody's very frightened, Coke has been a safe play, and it has bounced back. So now Coke just made some new highs at 48 here at the end of January, beginning of February. It's had a drop, now trading between 42 and 45. So a breakout of this range targets 48. So I'm looking to play with a long-term option, as I often do.
Right. What would be the option strategy on this?
The January call, a January in the money call, a 40 call. We haven't been down to 40 in a couple of years. The last time I looked, you can buy that 40 call for about $400. Right now, the stock's trading at $42.75, so it's $275 in the money. It's like being long from 40. The January option has 300 days, and if we get back to that 48 level, that's the target again. That option would double.
Unless the stock market fizzles.
Well, it. Good point. Good point. But I'm looking forward to getting bubbly once again.
Thanks for coming on the show.
Thank you.